Once Route 66 was aligned through Gallup and everything, then they moved to this location. So we'll have a guided tour. If you want to go to the guided tour, be there at 10 o'clock. If you want to go on your own or you don't want to go at all, that's okay too. It's whatever you want to do. And then the cultural center is something that Fantasy's already paid for you on that deal, but it's a come and go type thing.
We are in El Malpais National Monument in Grants, New Mexico. Lava flows, cinder cones, pressure ridge, and complex lava tubes systems dominate this ancient landscape. Today, Acoma, Laguna, Zuna, Rahama, Navajo tribes continue their use of El Malpais, gathering herbs and medicines, paying respect and renewing ties. There are a lot of lava fields out here on the drive, even from the 40 and also on Route 66. So we're gonna go get our stamp. I know I've been here before, but I think it was on the other side of the park. Some of these baskets are 1,000 years old. We are at USA RV Park in Gallup, New Mexico. This used to be the KOA Park in Gallup, New Mexico, and I have stayed here before. I think I was here for a couple of nights for resting. I kind of yes and no about this park. It's a buddy site, so I'm sharing the patio this time with other fantasy people, which I don't mind right now. Starlink seems to be happy. There are no trees in this location, which is wonderful. I did have to put one down in order to level. Okay, and this is what I mean by buddy sites. So if I do know it's a buddy site, I try to get over as far away from the utilities as possible, so I'm not directly next to the other coach. So it is pea gravel, which is fine, as long as it's not dusty. We got water in, water out, and it's 50 amps. And Connie Joe is feeding us again tonight. So another, is this my sewer or their sewer? Oh, their sewer's over there. Okay, just want to make sure. Now, when this was a KOA park, there wasn't so many permanent residences. So we've got a couple of permanent residences here. There's one there that doesn't look too good. There's another one that looks terrible. The question is, would I stay at this park again? The answer would be yes, I would, but only overnight or for 2 days at most. There's really not much here in Gallup, New Mexico, from what I can remember. So I think there's two parks here. There's the Petrified Forest, which is that direction, and there's some kind of trading post, which is quite a ways from here. I might do that when we leave here. I'm not really certain yet. Okay, we are here at the El Rancho Hotel, and we're having dinner here. All right, this is another meal that Connie Joe is paying for.
The problem is I don't like the blue cheese at all. You can't pick it off.
Another salad that doesn't have blue cheese on it.
Don't ask this discussed it with me.
Oh, Gail, I understand.
Was he disgusted?
Well, yeah.
Yeah, he gave you a look.
And the way he said, you want this one on there, well, no.
No.
She wants a different salad with no
Okay, this was the first group of tables that ate.
I'll show you. Let me show you what I have on my phone. This is the best way to learn your fantasy friends. It
No, but I
is,
know all your names from the Maritimes.
but not everybody.
Yeah.
I took a picture of
Oh my God.
each thing and put it in my notes.
Oh.
And see, it has the rig number and everything.
Yeah, but you know everyone from the Maritimes already.
Well, yeah, but you know, there's always, anyway, this
Oh,
is
I
the
will
way to
do
go.
that.
That's the way
It's
to
a
go.
little too late now.
Yes, but next
It's never
time.
too late.
Next time. This has been the most helpful.
I will do that.
Okay.
Next time. So did you get a new salad?
I did.
Good.
Of course, this time they forgot to melt the avocado on, but I could lift it off.
we
It
can
was in
just pick
pieces,
it off.
so I could lift it off.
Okay.
It's a giant chunk.
Okay, here's the table that's still waiting for food. Apple crisp
Cinnamon.
and Bob and Gail don't get dessert.
We were bad.
You want to give it right? Thank you. Behind me is our pond department. Two more buildings, so come on with me.
Is the cultural center down that next building?
Is it that tan building?
You have to pee?
I peed in the store museum.
All buildings move to a point, they sway. I just felt it.
I know they have you tied up.
You can make room. You ready? You gonna paint one?
Switch.
Yeah, we're gonna make some space.
Are these all
It's okay.
taken? These
You
rocks?
can sit here.
It just did you just start?
Pick one up.
Yeah.
Pick any rock you like.
Pick a rock. Any rock.
I'm going to move forward in your thing. These are some samples of ideas.
Yeah.
There's all kinds of colors on both tables.
Ariel, are you painting?
No, it's okay.
Not much talent
Why, there's
here.
a spot right there.
You need to paint one.
Paint one for Walter and give it to him as a present.
Yeah, it's just one more thing he's gonna keep in his room.
All right, there you are, painted all the way around.